Respected teachers, my dear fellows, and the audience, today I stand before you with a heart full of pride. We are gathered here to celebrate Yom Takbir, the historic day when Pakistan broke the chains of fears and challenged the status and become the first Muslim nuclear power in the world. My dear friends, May 28, 1998 was not just an ordinary day. It was the day when the mountains of Chagi shouted with the slogans of Allahu Akbar. It was the day when Pakistan made its defense invincible. When we talk about this golden chapter of our history, one name shines brighter than the rest. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan was not just a scientist. He was a national hero and father of our nuclear program. When Pakistan's security was threatened, this brave son of the soil left everything behind to serve his motherland. He worked day and night. He turned an impossible dream into solid reality. Today, we pay the richest tribute to Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. Sir, you gave us the many gifts of pride. And this nation will never forget your sacrifice. Audience, a weapon is only as good as the hand that hold it. Our Pakistan gave us the armed forces, courage to see the enemy in the eye. Pakistan Armed Forces, we salute you. Because of you, we sleep peacefully at night. Because of you, no one can dare to look at Pakistan with an evil eye. I am saying proudly that no power on earth can undo Pakistan. Dear audience, let us promise today, we people, students, and future of our Pakistan will work as our heroes. We work in the laboratories, work on the battlefields. We make our Pakistan strong and peaceful. Salute to Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. Salute to Pakistan Armed Forces. Pakistan Zindabad.